So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Slides in Google Classroom and how to submit your work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to classwork like always, and this is just a practice class that I created, and I had a student who's very graciously letting me use his account to show you how it works. So like always, I'm going to just click on the assignment. So I clicked there. It's going to open it up, and so now I'm going to do the work. And so I'm going to say, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well, I know there's 50, so I'm going to add a text box and type in 50. If it already says type here, we added a text box for you. There should also be text box there. You just have to click. If you can't find it, just add one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's 100. So I'm going to type those in. Okay, well, I know 50 is less than 100, so the larger size is the one that's open is going to face the greater number. I'm going to do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I've got 12 bunnies here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 bunnies here. Okay, well, I know that this side has more, so I'm going to put it here. Make sure I did that right. Okay. I'm going to come over to my number line, and I'm going to put my numbers in the right place. And I'm not going to do all of it. I'm just modeling a couple for you, so you see how I just drag and drop it. And it might do that where you have to move it a couple times. That's okay. So I think I'm done. I've done this whole activity. I'm good with it. So I'm going to now go back to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to click Turn In. I'm then going to click Turn In again. I'm going to exit this, and then I'm going to refresh the class so you can see. So I've turned it in. So Miss Breed's going to go in. I'm going to go and I'm going to see this is his work. So you can see, I can see that it's been done as soon as you click Turn In. So once you're done, you don't have to turn it into a PDF. You don't have to screenshot it. All you have to do is move it and click Turn In. I hope that helps you.